In this Simple Yet Spectacular video, we'll go through the process of uploading content in Spekit. The first thing to know is that you can upload content both in the web application or in the sidebar. The second thing to know is that you can enable external sharing on your content. This allows your users to share that content externally, or without that setting enabled, they will not be able to. Let's go through that process now. Opening the Spekit sidebar, you'll see that by simply clicking on the new option, you'll see this file upload option. Here you can either drag and drop or select files. Let's say that I wanted to upload a couple of the recent blogs that we published. You'll see that by simply dropping them in here, it'll process them, upload them, and then for similar content, which we recommend uploading all at once, of course you can go ahead and rename them, or you can click select topics, add them to a topic. If you have a specific asset type they're associated with, you can say, hey, these are all white papers, for example. You can assign them to an industry if that's applicable. And then down here, you'll see this toggle for allowing users to share this content externally. Once you've done that, simply click Upload Files, and then you can decide whether you want to communicate that with your team. In this instance, I'm not going to send a communication. Once these are uploaded, you'll see all your files uploaded to the folder here, and you can click in and see them in more detail. And you'll see that this download option is available, and when they click Share, they'll see the option to share externally. On the UI, you'll see that this little globe here is going to be enabled for any content that's enabled for external sharing. And that is just how simple it is to upload files in Spekit. Now, the last thing to know is that let's say that you were uploading files and that you wanted to make sure that no content already existed that was similar. So let's say I went in and I was uploading these two feature brochures. I don't believe that they exist in Spekit, but let's confirm. When I try uploading similar content, our AI in the background is going to be looking for similar content that might already exist in Spekit, and you'll see that in uploading that content, you'll get guidance telling you that, hey, a file with identical content already exists in Spekit under a different name. And that if you continue, which you have the ability to, you might result in duplicate files. This is how we ensure that you're not adding duplicate content in Spekit, and you'll see this error message show up very clearly on the UI if you upload content that already exists. Hope that helps.